Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F05 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so simply take a look at this option bar and right here we've got the timer section, timer option, so let's tap on it. We've got 4 different options: off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So I'll choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option you'd like to use and tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 2 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, you can turn it off just by tapping on this timer icon without any kind of countdown, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.